If you own a square body or GMT 400 truck, you know the dash cluster is usually the first thing to fail or look totally ancient. But what if you could drop in a modern, performance-grade setup that looks factory fresh? We're talking about the NuVintage USA Gauge Kit, specifically designed for the 1988 through 1994 GM full-size trucks. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a complete performance overhaul for your instrument panel. You get the full suite of essential data: fuel level, oil pressure, speedometer, tachometer, voltmeter, and water temperature, all housed in a clean, included panel with those sharp white faces. The style is fantastic. It screams classic performance without looking like cheap aftermarket junk. The fact that the panel is included means you get a much cleaner, more integrated installation than trying to piece together individual gauges. What really sets NuVintage USA apart is the technology underneath. They build these on their Phoenix platform. That means looks are only skin deep, because internally you have user-selectable inputs. If you're doing an engine swap, running non-standard sensors, or just want absolute precision, this flexibility is absolutely critical for accurate readings. This isn't just a pretty face, it's built tough. Constructed from aluminum, plastic, and stainless steel, they specifically engineered these components to be shockproof and waterproof. That durability is essential, especially if your truck sees real work or rough roads. The overall dimensions suggest this is a true drop-in replacement, making the installation process much cleaner than fighting with custom fabrication. For anyone restoring or modifying their GMT 400, this kit solves the perennial problem of inaccurate or dead gauges while giving the interior a serious, high-quality boost. This is a premium, powerful solution that delivers both great style and reliable performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.